Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Please, what do you do with your overripe plantains? Hope you don't throw them away. Hope you don't discard them. Please don't do that. Make this instead. Yes, treasures, in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious and yummy puff puff with your overripe plantains. Let's get started. For this, I'll be using 2 unripe plantains and 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I will also be adding in these onions and pepper to make it spicy. I'll start by mashing the plantains. You can also blend it if you want. I have this small one begging me to use it, so I have to add it. After mashing the plantains, I'll go ahead and add the all-purpose flour into it. This is the consistency I have, and this took a 2 1/3 cup of lukewarm water. Next, I'll cover it and leave it in a warm place for about 40 to 60 minutes before we go to the next step. And after 60 minutes, this is what we have. I'll stir and mix it again to remove the air and bubbles in it, and then we take it. To fry with a low to medium heat. Don't use very hot heat. in the same way until we have exhausted the batter, our puff puff batter, our plantain puff puff batter. Ripe plantain puff puff, very crunchy on the outside and soft in the inside, and very delicious in the taste. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share to your friends and loved ones. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.